Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can display chats in WhatsApp app. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, write your comments after watching the video, and also make sure to put your likes. So, let's get down to our topic. Open the WhatsApp app. After that, go to the chat section at the bottom. And now I will tell you that previously, if you were hiding your chats that you have, you could do it in two ways. You could archive the chats, and you could also lock the chats. If you have archived your chats, you will have this folder at the top of your chats called Archive. Click on it. Here will be all the chats that you have moved to the archive. Now, to return them to normal chats, swipe to the left-hand side and click Unzip. As you can see, instantly this chat has been removed from the archive folder. If you have previously locked the chat, in order to find that folder, you'll need to pull down from the top, and you'll see the blocked section right here above all the chats. You will go to this folder, but keep in mind that you will only be able to enter the folder by Face ID. Just like blocking a chat is only possible thanks to Face ID. And when you use Face ID to access the blocked chats folder, you can also easily unblock a chat by simply swiping to the left side and press Unlock. After that, this chat will be immediately moved to public. Friends, these are the ways you can get back and display the chat in WhatsApp app. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Please friends, write your comments, be sure to put likes, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.